Hey guys, today is October 4th and it is now 2:53. All my packages has been picked up, and yeah, they're early today because it's Friday. There's no traffic on the street today. So I mean, FedEx Express is not here yet, but I have no packages going out. So I'm printing a couple posters for my friend. He owns a franchise fitness called F45. So he wants to print out like these challenges poster. So there's 4 I need to print out and need to laminate on both sides. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. And then I want to update about this morning. So this morning I'm surprised that I was pretty busy. I was doing some window tinting on the top portion of my window, because around like 4 or 5 p.m. the sun will like get lower and the sun just get in, and then it just gets hotter and hotter. So I've decided I want to tint the top portion with a darker film. So yeah, so that's what I did. And then I got one customer just walked in. I mean, she called this morning and then asked about live scan, and then she came like right away. So I did another live scan, and yeah, I got one live scan customer. And then the other customer called and asked about mailbox. And I'm surprisingly, it's been a while since I ran out mailbox. So this customer rented a medium mailbox only for 3 months. And I also asked him about how did he find me. So he said he found on Google, and he also ordered pizzas next door sometimes, and then saw my A-frame poster that I made. So yeah, the one I made with the porch pirate running, and then with the lady chasing in the back. Yeah, it's a funny picture. I really really thought that was a funny picture, and that's why I put it, I enlarged it to a poster. And then yeah, so I'm surprised with all the good thing happened today. So couple drop-offs, same thing, my regular drop-off. And then what else? I got a couple prints, couple copies printing, and then yeah, that's pretty much it. Nothing too crazy going on today, but yeah, it kept me busy till just right now, like yeah, almost 3 o'clock. And right now I'm gonna finish up printing 2 more poster, and then I'm gonna laminate. Oh, so yeah, I want to update about yesterday's video. So I mentioned about a customer walked in, right? And then I boxed a hat for him, and then just he had his own label, and I just charged him for the box. And today, this morning, well, this afternoon, when I post my yesterday's video, he actually commented. So I don't know his name, but yeah, he commented, say he's now opening a package ship store. So I thought that was pretty funny. And then I'm surprised that what are the chances that your customer watch your video and comes right in, and it's in the same neighborhood, So yeah, that's pretty cool. So yeah, just thought I update that. And then thank you for supporting my business. And I believe, was it him, or I just got another Yelp review, a positive review from I don't know who it is. Could be him, so I'm not really sure. And yesterday I got another review, a Google. Yeah, I got another. I don't know if I mentioned it. I got another Google review because of the light scan. So yeah, it's surprisingly that people will like leave you reviews without me asking them. So that just make me feel good. So, and what else I want to update? Live scan from DOJ, so Department of Justice. When I got my account set up, they asked me if I want to be on the list of general attorney of general, and asked me if I want to be on the list. I say yeah. So I just in the email I say yes, please put me on there. And now I just got approved by them. So that means I checked, I logged into my account, and actually saw my name, my store's name, and then my name, saying that I'm approved location by attorney of general. So I thought that was pretty cool too. So if you guys do have live scan, maybe you can search it up I mean, I'm in California, but maybe every state there's an attorney of general for the state, and then you can request to put your location on their website. So that could help, because you know, whenever there's like lawsuits or something, and they need plaintiff or defendant, and probably need live scans. Who knows? Just thought it's another opportunity to put your names out there, right? So yeah, all right. That's the update for now, and I'm gonna go finish up the lamination.
You're in my head again. A memory was sitting on the edge, swinging our feet. Will it do me any good to memorize you? Will it do me any good? We go looking for the same old thing. You got that same old game. You got that same old smile. And we go looking for the same old thing. You got that same old pain I hadn't felt in a while. And you keep running, calling my name, and I keep going, playing your games. You're so reckless, testing our luck, and I know better, but I never stop. But I never stop. I'll never stop. No, I'll never stop. I'll never stop.
Okay guys, it is now 5:42, and then while I was doing the lamination, I have one customer came in, another customer came in for the live scan. So I have two live scan today, and then in the middle of live scan, one customer walked in and he said he wanted to rent a mailbox. So I have two mailbox rentals today. So yeah, today was a good day. Yeah, today is a good day, and I don't have many package. I mean, it's less than 10. My UPS and FedEx, you know, only have like only got 3 packages, and there's no FedEx Express. So but the good thing is I got lamination going on, printing going on, and then I got 2 live scan and 2 mailbox rental, and then a couple copies and printing. So yeah, and then I messed up on one of the lamination, so I have to redo it, but it turns out pretty good. So let me show you guys. Yeah, the sun. So this is the challenge point chart that my friends a fitness, they have a fitness business going on in Alhambra. So yeah, I only made one, and I still have 3 left, so which I don't think I can finish today, so I'm gonna continue tomorrow. Yeah, I messed up the first one. The first one was it was a pain in the butt, but it's okay. practice makes everything perfect. So I just have to practice more. So this one I reprinted. So I'm gonna have to redo this one, and hopefully I don't mess it up again. Yeah, I watched some YouTube video of how to properly do laminations on 24-inch and 36-inch. You have to be very careful with the manual ones, since you know, it's very sticky. So once if you accidentally stick the paper, yeah, basically your project is ruined. So anyways, I think that's good good for today. I think today I did pretty well with everything. I think could have been more customer come in for notary or maybe even passport photos, but yeah, today's growth should be okay. Yeah. So it is now 5:45. I only got 15 minutes. I see if I can finish one more laminations, and then I'll be good for today. All right, that's it, and thank you guys again so much for watching. Hit the like, subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Bye. There you go. Not bad on my second try.